Complete expansion and derived formula for class 8 and 9. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is minus, this is plus. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Derived formula: a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This is your a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. So this is your 2 times of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is plus 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab. A square plus b square will be cancelled. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So this is your 4ab. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. So this is your a square plus b square. Similarly, a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. This is your a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2ab cancelled. So this is only a square plus b square. 2ab. A plus b whole square minus a square plus b square equal to 2ab. This is your a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square cancelled. So this is your only 2ab. 2ab, a square plus b square minus a minus b whole square. We can write also a square plus b square minus a minus b. If a minus b is given, put this formula. If a plus b is given, then put this formula for 2ab. Now 4ab, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Now tell me what will be the formula for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Write your answer in the comment section. Now this is your a plus b plus c whole square minus a square plus b square plus c square is your 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. This is a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square will be cancelled. So only 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now AB, 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So AB equal to divided by 4. If a plus b and a minus b given, then put this formula for AB. Now cubic derived formula: a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube equal to 2a cube plus 6ab square. A plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube equal to 6a square b plus 2b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now special formula: x plus 1 by x whole square. This is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab is your x into 1 by x. This is cancelled. So this is your a square plus 1 by square plus 2. Similarly, x minus 1 by x whole square equal to a square plus 1 by square minus 2. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here 2ab means ab cancelled, x into 1 by x cancelled. So this is only minus 2. Here also we can write a square plus b square as a minus b whole square plus 2 ab. Here ab cancelled, so only plus 2. Now a square plus 1 by x square is your x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 or x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Now x square minus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square is your a square minus b square. So this is your a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x equal to x square minus 1 by x square. X to the 4 plus 1 by x to the 4. This is your x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2. This is a plus b whole square minus 2ab is your a square plus b square. A square plus b square is your x to the 4 plus 1 by x to the 4. Now x to the 4 minus 1 by x to the 4. This is a square minus b square. That is a square means a means x square, b means 1 by x square. So this is your a minus b into a plus b. Here a is x square, b is 1 by x square. So x to the power minus 1 by x to the power is a square minus 1 by x square into a square plus 1 by a square. Then again we can write this is a square minus 1 by x square equal to x minus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x into a square plus 1 by x square.